All right, let's go ahead and work on this challenge lab. Same basic concepts that we've already done. You should be able to get through these a little bit faster each time. On Augustus's sheet, which is what we're on, we're using the arithmetic operators to find the total sales on March 4th. So here's March 4th. We want the total sales, so we're going to do equals that one plus that. Whoops, I didn't do that one right. Clicked the wrong one. We're going to go try this again. The 7 plus that one plus, oh, oh, undo, undo. This one, clicked on that, got us through it. So on Mike's sheet, we're going to use the count function to find the number of days on the chart, B7 through B11. We're putting this in J18. So right here, we're going to do equals count. And if you click on the blue one, it'll start the formula for you. And then we want the B7 through B11. Oops, and I clicked off of it. Let's try that again. Equals count. B7 through B11. Okay, my cursor is not wanting to work with us. Hold on. On Mike's sheet, we're going to try this again. Going down here and we're doing equals count, open parentheses, and we're going to count these ones, hit enter. What the heck is going on here? Let me reset it again. Sometimes this happens. All right, we're going to go to Mike's tab. We're going to number of days. We're going to do equals count. And our values. What the heck is going on with this thing? It's having trouble. If you have trouble with something like this, let me know. So we're going to back to Mike's. We'll do count. And yay! So sometimes you have to be very careful and take your time doing the steps. All right. On Veruca's sheet, we're going to use the min function to find the lowest number of truffles on E14. So we're going to go equal min, open, and we're going to select our truffles and hit enter. On Charlie's sheet, we'll use the fill handle to copy the formula in I7, which is this one right here. We're going to click and drag that down to fill it to the rest. We're going to use the fill handle to add sequential dates to Veruca. So we're going to come here and click and drag it down. On Veruca's again, we're going to use the sum function to find the total sales for March 1st. So in here, we're going to do equals sum open. Oops, it does not like when I do that. I'm going to sum those. On Mike's sheet, we're going to do the average function for our chocolate truffles in here. So we're going to do equals average. Click that. And then the average is going to be those ones. On the customer's worksheets, we're going to come down here. Use lower to return Wilbur's name in lowercase letters in cell D4. So we're going to do equals lower open, and we want Wilbur's first name, and then we're going to copy that down to all the cells. Use the clipboard to copy the formulas from I7 on Viola's sheet. We're going to go I7 through K11. That's those ones. I'm going to do Control C, which copies it. I know it's copied because of the moving ants around the square. And I'm going to go to Augustus's sheet, and I'm going to put my cursor on there, and I'm going to do Control V, and it's going to paste it. On the customer's worksheet, use write to return the last four letters of Wilbur's name. So we're going to do this, and we're going to select his last name, comma, 4, enter. So it's getting the last four, and then we're going to copy that down to all of the cells. All right. On Charlie's sheet, we're going to use the max function to find the maximum amount of mint brownies. So we're going to go into this cell here, equals max, and we're going to select the cells and hit enter. On Violet's sheet, use the median function to find the median number of mint brownies. So mint brownies, here is our median. So we're going to go MEDIAN, select them all, and hit enter. And then the customer's worksheet, we're using text to join to return Gilbert Wilbur to D4. So we're going to do equals text join, which is this one, and we want Gilbert, comma, Wilbur. All right. With this one, again, we're going to go text join, and this one tells you the delimiter, ignore empty, and then the text. So with this one, we're going to do quotations, comma, quotations, and then we're going to comma, 1, comma, Gilbert, comma, Wilbur, and see if I did it right. There you go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag this down. Oh, I didn't copy it, that's why. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it to the cells. Not sure what's going on with this one. I have done it about 16 times, and it keeps coming back with the same stuff, but it's not moving us forward. So if you do this one and get it to work, great, let me know. But for some reason, I'm going to try it one last time. We're going to do, I'm going to leave the, because you can see the answer key here. Up here, see if this works. Comma, this, comma, 1, comma, C4, comma, B4. And then you grab the corner and drag it down. And it does not finish the task for some reason. So we're on the customer's worksheet. I'll try this one last time. Actually, All right, so we're going to do equals text join this, comma, 1, comma, C4, comma, B4, enter. And then we're going to drag it down. We're on the customer's worksheet, D4. All right, so with this, I'm not sure why it's not taking us forward, but everything else has been done correctly. Let's copy, reset this. See if I can get it to move forward without that up. Paste. All right, equals text join this, comma, this, comma, 1, comma, B4, comma, oops, nope, C4, comma, B4, enter. For the lab. Let me see if it gives me credit for it. Yeah, if you do this one and don't get it to work, just let me know. Shoot me up a comment because I'm not sure why it's not giving us the correct answer.